Hello and welcome to my video of the technology I use in my classroom. I will also share with you how I project onto my whiteboard and how I use my dot cam from my MacBook. All right, so first things first, we are going to power on our projector. Okay. And you can see that it is on, so I'm going to take my cursor and go to this screen mirroring, and I connect through screen mirroring because we use AirPlay. I put my code in, say connect, and it should pop up. So as you can see, my screen looks different than the whiteboard because I use separate displays. I use separate displays so I can check my email or respond to an email or get my lesson plans open while kids are doing a brain break or they're doing some sort of interactive activity. So this also works well with being able for kids to see in the far back. I keep it bright so they can see the contrast. I keep the front lights low, and I keep the screen bright so they can see the contrast in the back. So that is how I project from my computer to the whiteboard. And next I'm going to show you how I use my document camera on the whiteboard so they can see what we're working on while they're working on it as well. My document camera has a USB that I put into the USB port, and we use Visualizer app, so that will pull the Visualizer app up, and you should see the October seat work. What I do is I grab a hold of it and I slide it to the other screen on the whiteboard to project it and make it bigger so that way students in the back can see it. This makes it easier when students are following along, or if we are doing a read aloud and I project the story up there so they can follow along. Using a document camera and a projector makes technology useful within our classroom. So that is how, how I make my screen go back minimize. I press escape and it shrinks it, and I just press the X. So that is how I project and I use my dot cam within my classroom.